Hi everyone, so in this video these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. 4 ingredients. So let me start with introducing them. My tomatoes. You all know tomatoes are used in a lot of beauty products. So tomatoes help to lighten the skin, and it helps to also remove this tan kind of look on your skin. Yes, then also I'm gonna be using sugar. So the importance of sugar is it helps for scrub, so it's gonna help for the scrubbing and exfoliating your skin. And also I'm gonna be using my orange peel. So you know the importance of orange peel also help to lighten your skin, to take away those tan look on your skin. Yeah, and I'm going to be using my olive oil. Olive oil helps for anti-aging, is also an antioxidant, and also help to moisturize your skin. Yes, also help to moisturize your skin. So these are the 4 ingredients I'm going to be using for this whitening scrub. Yeah, so basically don't get into the sun whenever you use this fish scrub, because of the tomatoes and orange peel, which makes your skin lighter. Yeah, so basically do it at night. Yeah, night is preferable for this facial scrub, face whitening scrub. So guys, let's get straight into it.
Shake your thing for me, some money to waste for you. She would feel like that. I'ma get stand like that. Tell she Gucci for you. Gucci fresh, fresh. Barboli, smoky dashi, got money, shake it for me. Barboli, smoky dashi, got money, shake it for me. London guys, fully the vibes. Lucky guys, fully the jam. London guys, fully the vibes. Lucky guys, fully the jam. Versace lọ́rùn mi dúró dédé, Gucci lẹ́sẹ̀ mi dúró dédé, Sanusi lára mi dúró dédé, 36 million pence dúró dédé. Versace lọ́rùn mi dúró dédé, Gucci lẹ́sẹ̀ mi dúró dédé, Sanusi lára mi dúró dédé, 36 million pence dúró dédé. Versace lọ́rùn mi dúró dédé, Gucci lẹ́sẹ̀ mi dúró dédé, Sanusi lára mi dúró dédé. Somewhere, I will white every time. I the money on you and I body. Alana Baba, Roewa, Zikash, K-Fire, Papa Gucci, Jabun, Bob Sugar, Paper, Uluari, 36 million pence to DD.
It's Mario Entertainment.
Gucci fresh, fresh. Barboli, smoky dashi, got money, shake it for me. Barboli, smoky dashi, got money, shake it for me. London guys, fully the vibes. Lucky guys, fully the jam. London guys, fully the vibes. Lucky guys, fully the jam. Versace lọ́rùn mi dúró dédé, Gucci lẹ́sẹ̀ mi dúró dédé, Sanusi lára mi dúró dédé, 36 million pence dúró dédé. Versace lọ́rùn mi dúró dédé, Gucci lẹ́sẹ̀ mi dúró dédé, Sanusi lára mi dúró dédé, 36 million pence dúró dédé. I be working online, I dey chase my dream, no time to sleep when I got money. Wire million to my account, making me Minaj, wanna date ya. Would you feel take them to another level? Wanna let you know, say, me I know the fumble. Ọmọ tó bá forí bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ fún pé kó kọ́ọ̀pù. Àwọn tí mi gbóná lọ́wọ́ orí wọn dey hot around my wrist, I dey hot.